holiday here? Business maybe?
Just holiday, here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Visiting a friend, yeah. Just got back from Mount Batur, from the mountain, Batur,
Yes.
for a couple of days, which was good. And then, yeah.
Uluwatu's good.
Sorry?
Uluwatu's good. No,
Yeah.
no traffic.
Yeah, I prefer Uluwatu. I don't like Canggu or
You don't like Canggu.
yeah, it's like Russia.
Every day traffic.
Yeah. From Bali?
No, from Sumatra.
Yeah. Whereabouts?
You know Sumatra?
Yeah, I've been to Bukit and Nias.
Yes.
Yeah. Where in Sumatra are you from?
Sumatera Selatan. Palembang.
Okay, I don't know. North or the south?
Because big Sumatra
Yeah, it's a big island.
Same with Java.
Yeah, massive.
Small. Bali very small. Bali.
How long have you been in Bali for?
Maybe 7 years.
7 years, oh wow.
Yes, long time. Bali is very good.
Yeah?
Bali. I like Bali.
I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of Bali.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel very authentic Indonesian, you know? Like, it's,
Maybe later you come back again. Maybe go to Bali.
this is my second time to Bali. I was
Yeah.
here in January and then...
January.
Yeah, I didn't come back.
Maybe you make business here.
Yeah.
Yes, good. Good business here.
I mean, there's too many tourist businesses, right?
Maybe you will make villa.
I don't have that kind of money, I'm afraid.
Because England's good money.
But it's expensive, very expensive to live in England.
Yes,
So,
expensive. You work in England 1 month, you stay in Bali 1 year.
yeah, true.
Bali very cheap.
It is cheap. Quite like it. It's, food's good. It's
Yes.
cheap to do things, but yeah,
Very cheap.
living in England is too expensive.
Yes. Expensive. But big money. England big money, brother.
All relative though. Have you been outside of Indonesia?
Yes.
Have you been anywhere other than Indonesia?
No.
No, just Indonesia. You've been Sumatra and Bali. Anywhere else? You ever been to Labuan Bajo?
Labuan Bajo. No. Only Bali.
Work as a ground driver, or do you have another job aside?
Yes. You can speak slow.
Sorry.
Because my English
Yeah.
no good.
Your job,
Yes.
just ground,
No.
or you have another?
Yes, I have another. I'm IT.
IT?
Yes.
Okay, good. Nice.
For 7 EM.
What?
7 EM. 7 PM.
Okay.
More outlet in Malas, Peranan, Ubud. Maybe later they open in Balangan Beach.
Nice.
No, but Bingin Street.
Bingin, yeah.
Yes, already the good. Maybe next year they open big restaurant.
Your business?
No. Only IT, check CCTV,
Yeah.
computer, for cashier,
Right.
and Wi-Fi, internet, and install. Yes, good job, brother.
Yeah.
But small money. Yeah. Salary is no good. In Bali, no good. Only one month, the standard 3,700,000.
3,700,000 1 month.
Yes, no good. Yes. Yes, IT different. But standard in restaurant, waiter, waitress, 3,700,000 the salary. No good. Homestay expensive.
Yeah.
For working here is expensive. Maybe standard 1 million for homestay. Oops. Ah. For long trips good. Motorbike.
Yeah, yeah.
Warung, there's warung. Here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Warung. Oops, sorry.
Oh, shut.
Close?
Yeah, shut.
Maybe you go to where? Maybe you go to the beach. I'm close the okay.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, maybe you. I'm close. Okay, maybe stay offline. Okay. Then you will go. I mean, video here. This video. If you need, I can share with you. It's good. In Prerenan Tangku. If you need video, I can share. Maybe you go to where? Maybe you go to the beach. I'm close the okay.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, maybe you. I'm close. Okay, maybe stay offline. Okay. Then you will go. I mean, video here. This video. If you need, I can share with you. It's good. In Prerenan Tangku. If you need video, I can share.